Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will teach you basic of statistics in lower secondary school. Basic of statistics. Do you know what is meaning of statistics? I will give you the information. Statistics is defined as collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Numerical data that is number. Numer is number. Statistics is defined as collection, presentation, interpretation, and I forget something. I forget analysis. Analysis and interpretation. Of numerical data. That is number. Numerical number. What is data? What is data? Data is observations such as measurements, genders, survey response that have been collected. Data is observation such as measurements, genders, surveys, response that have been collected. Don't forget full stop. Statistics is defined as collection, presentation, analysis, interpretation of numerical data. And so we can call statistics is a numerical measurement numerical measurement describe some characteristic of a sample. Statistics is a numerical measurement describing some characteristic of a sample. Statistics describe sample. Statistics describe sample. Do you know the meaning of sample? I will tell you now. Sample is a subcorrection of element elements drawn from a population sample keyword is subcorrection. Subcorrection is keyword of sample. When we know sample, we should know population. What is population? Population is the complete collection of all elements such as score, people, measurement, and so on. All elements to be studied. The correction is complete in the sense that all elements is the keyword of population. All elements is the keyword of population. Subcorrection of elements is keyword of sample. You should remember. Can define difference between sample and population. I have a question. Kitty score 45 marks out of 100 in the first quiz in statistics. Kitty scored 45 marks out of 100. Do you think that is statistics? Kitty scored 45 marks out of 100 in the first quiz in statistics. I will give time to you thinking about question. Time's up. I will answer question now. Not statistical data because Kitty score 45 marks. That is one person. They talk about one person that is not statistic. Statistic that is sample. Sample in population. Sample. Population. First, Kitty is one person. Sample smaller than population. Okay, next question. Christina, Carlo, Cheer, Manuel, and Era score 45, 91, 73, 53, and 87 respectively. That is statistical data. I will give time to you thinking about that. Okay, time's up. That is statistical data. Because of Christina, Carlo, Chia, Manuel, and Era. That is they are sample. Many people can be sample in population. Next question. Per capita income of the Philippines is low. That is statistical data. Is statistical data. Okay, I will answer you. Not statistical data because per capita income of the Philippines is low. That is cannot calculate. It's not numerical data. It's not numerical data, but it's like this describing. Okay, next question. Income of the Philippines from the tourism has increased from 106.4 million in 2003 to 143.1 million in 2011. That is statistical data. This data talk about numerical data. And population, that is Philippines. So this is statistical data. Okay, next step, I will talk about quantitative data and qualitative data. quantitative data and qualitative data. Do you know how it's different between qualitative data and quantitative data? Quantitative data is numbers representing counts or measurements such as weights. Qualitative data or categorical or attribute data can be separated into different categories that are distinguished by some numeric characteristics such as gender. Qualitative data or categorical can be separated into different categories. Can be separated into different categories that are distinguished by some numeric characteristics such as gender, weight, qualitative type of birth, height, beast of cattle. Do you think that is in which one? Breed. Consumer expenditure. That means when you buy something by use money. Money, that is numerical data. That is quantitative data. Consumer expenditure. Standard of living. Do you know standard of living? Standard of living means you can earn money and you have your home, you can have money to buy food, you happy with your life. That is standard of living. That is qualitative data. We can calculate in numerical data. Standard of living can separate in category. I will ask you question. You ask me, what is population? What is sample? First one, all players in a baseball team. The first one. The second one, 100 players chosen in random among all the players in the team. Which one is population? Which one is sample? Okay, I will answer. All players in the football team is population, and 100 players chosen in random among all the players in the team is sample. 100 players chosen in random, that is sample. Okay, I will ask important question that when we understand statistics, we can answer this question. A substitute teacher wants to know how students in the class did on their last test. He asked only the 10 students sitting in the front row to report how they did on their last test, and he concludes from them 10 students in front of the class. Them that the class did extremely well. He concluded from them is 10 students in front of class that the class did extremely well. What is the sample? What is the population? Can you identify any problems with choosing the sample in the way that the teacher did? What is the population? The population consists of all students in the class, and the sample includes the 10 students sitting in the front row. The sample is made up of just the 10 students sitting in the front row. The sample is not likely to be representative of the population. Those who sit in the front row tend to be more interested in the class and tend to perform higher on tests. Hence, the sample may perform at a higher level than the population. Are you understand?